The steering wheel on your Genesis is designed to provide you with the ability to control many features on your vehicle. The audio controls allow you to control the volume as well as the track or station you are listening to. Turning up or down on the volume button will increase or decrease volume. Pressing the button will mute or unmute the audio system. The Seek Track button works differently depending on the audio source and the way it is toggled. If you are listening to FM, AM, or Sirius XM radio, toggling the button down or up selects the next or previous preset, respectively. Toggling and holding the button for a second, then releasing, will cause it to search for stations or go to the next channel. If you are listening to digital media, pressing the button down or up selects the next or previous track, file, or chapter, depending on the media. Pressing and holding the button will cause it to fast forward or rewind the current media, except for Bluetooth music. If you are placing a call through the touchscreen, it allows you to select the desired stored number. The mode button on the left side of the steering wheel, when pressed briefly, changes the audio source, but it must be set up to do so. When it is pressed and held, it moves to the mode button steering wheel settings screen. Here, you can select the sources that the mode button will change through. The phone button allows you to answer and end incoming calls. The voice recognition button has several functions. For more on this, see the Genesis Connected Services and Dynamic Voice Recognition videos. The Custom button activates a feature of your choosing. For more on this, see the Custom Button video. The LCD display control button and control switch are used to control the LCD display in the instrument cluster. The lane driving assist button activates and deactivates the lane keeping assist and lane following assist features. More on these features can be found in the lane driving assist video. The smart cruise control button, speed adjustment button, and vehicle distance button are all used with the smart cruise control feature. This system is fully explored in the Highway Driving Assist video. For more helpful information on your Genesis, be sure to explore the how-to guides on the Genesis USA YouTube channel and mygenesis.com.